this because some of my hater who made this, could you like report this because many of my friends, who cooperate report to the YouTube of this, and also they also block, and they also what you call that they also block, and they also complain into the YT. So that because they know that that is not me. Yeah. Somebody, and I know who is the owner of that. Yeah. So this one, guys, paging there. This one, report this and ban this. Yeah, that one. Oh, report that one and ban that one. And also, yeah, that one also. They had three. Yeah, they had three. One, two. Yeah, there are three account they're doing to me. Yeah, they three account they're doing to me. This one also. So could you ban this one? Yeah, and I have a greater surprise for someone. This it made for. This is for you. Yeah, you belong this one. The owner of that three accounts. Yeah, belong on this one. Wait. Belong this one. Ta-da! Hello. Whoop! You're a garbage talking. You're a mental. You're a paranoid. Oh, you are there. That is yours. I awarding you that one. That one. I awarding you that one. Whoop! You see that? Garbage. That is you. Uh, the owner of this, the owner of this is that one. The owner of this. That one, the owner of that is who made in this. Ta-da! You belong that one. Okay? You belong that one. You belong that one. Imagine you are in the trash can because you're talking with the garbage, so you belong that one. I awarding you this is your award that you made this, and also um, this. um, you have many you made on me. Yeah. So I reward you on this. Okay? I reward you that way. You are a garbage talking. Don't believe this kind of a garbaging person, okay? Don't believe on this kind of a lady boy. Yeah, he hiding on there because he's a garbage. He's a garbage talk, lying, everything. Oh, that's his plenty enemy. That's why that is your reward. You hide and seek in there. Oh, see that? Oh, you belong in there. So I repeat there, guys. Ban this one. I repeat the last saying. Ban ban this three account. Yeah, ban this three account. That one. Yeah. The owner of that is this one. The owner of that one. Charan! Is the one who made that one. That is a true account that he made on that one. He hide and seek in the trash because he's talking a trash. He's the one like what you call that? Some people who gave to me. Thank you for those people who gave this one because of him. Yeah, I am the one who made you that way. I am the one who made that one to a reward for it that you are there in the trash can. So congratulations that you are there in the trash can, and that is your reward to make that one. Yeah. And this, and also another one, another one. Apa, another one. Ban that one, another one. Ipang ban ni siya guys. Mga Pilipino diha nga vlogger. I-ban ni siya nga kani nga siya nga kay nabuang na. Ban ni siya og i-report kay kani po do. I-ban pud ni siya. Kani siya i-ban pud ni. I-report ni siya. So that the YT can found it because many people of my friends already had already report this, and thank you so much for being that and also there. Oh, that one. Budaga, that is the owner who made that one. The owner of this, that one. That's why here is your reward. You hide in the trash can, okay? Because you have nothing. You have nothing to me. So I'm only that I give on you. That one. Wah! Sabi na maglagot. Tanawara. Masok ko ka na. He hide and seek in the trash can because he's always in there. The way they talk on the trash can. Uda. Masok ko. You belong there. You belong there. You. You belong in the trash can. That is your reward to make this true account. Imagine he can make the true account. Nabuang. He made that one because he really crazy over me. He said, crazy sweet skin. You crazy on me? Oh. Sweet Kid is not in love with that trash can. Trash can, my goodness. Imagine he adore in me. Wow. Grabe, no? Ihangaan gig ko. Wow. Oh, imagine guys. Imagine oh, he made that one. So, this is your reward. That one. Hula ka! You belong there, trash can. That's your reward. Ban this, ban that one, block that one, report that one, and a lot of also my honey. Thank you, Han, for being there. Thank you so much. My honey also like supporting me of what people like doing things in here in the social media. Imagine guys, he made three accounts. Oh, oh, that is your reward. Wow. Oh, imagine, oh, trash can. Oh. because he took at garbage. Oh, you're a dirty garbage old mammal. You belong there. I post that one. Thank you, everyone. Happy Sunday. Bye bye.